Hello guys, let's welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I am going to talk about another important structure in Python called tuples. Tuples are similar to the list, so you can use them to store a list of items, but unlikely tuples are cannot be modified, so we cannot add new items, we cannot be remove existing items. We can say tuples are immutable, we cannot mutate or change them. So let me show you. So I am going to start by defining a list of numbers, numbers, numbers equals square bracket 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma. Okay, so we can use the square bracket to define the list and parenthesis to define the tuple. So we will change this to parenthesis for the tuples. I will change the parenthesis here. I will change the square bracket to parenthesis for the tuples, guys. Okay, so if we type numbers with numbers, numbers dot, you can see here, look here, we don't have any append or insert methods, so we cannot add new item to this list, this tuples. Okay, it is not a list, this is a tuple. We cannot be add new item to this tuple. We can also don't have any remove, clear and pop methods. We cannot remove any of these items here. Okay, and see here, we only have the count and index method. Count and index are we can use to count. See here, count is to count the number of occurrence in an item, and index is to find the index of the first occurrence of an items. So we can only get information about the tuples, we cannot change it. And by the way, these other methods will be there now. These other method that you can see here, double underscore, they will start with the two underscore here. We refer these as the magic methods. These are the more advanced topics, guys. I will cover it in my latest video, guys. Okay, upcoming videos I will cover it all the methods, guys. Okay, don't miss out those videos, those are very informative for you guys. Okay, now the tuples are very similar to the list. Tuples are very similar to the list, so you can address the individual items using the square bracket. So you can get the numbers like print, print, add parenthesis numbers, numbers. We will get an addressed individual items using the square bracket. So I will type here square bracket and pass the index value as 0. Then I will print it on the terminal. See here, before printing it, before I will running it, just I will elaborate the console here. Okay, see, when I will run this program, we will going to get 2 on the terminal. Okay, see here, 2 is on the terminal. So this is how you can getting individual items from the tuples, guys. And if you try to change the first item, we will get an error. Okay, I will show you guys how you can get an error to change the items. Okay, I will show you. I will type here numbers, and here I can pass here I can type the parenthesis and pass the index value as 0 and set it to 10 as a value. When I will run this program, we will get an value error. So I will show you guys how the error is going to coming on the console. See here, so this is a type error. The tuple object does not support the item assignment. This line will be there now. Tuples does not support the assignment operator in the tuples. So this is guys how you can addressing and how you can get an error guys. See here, whenever whenever we can using the tuples, we don't have any changeable things guys. And here I will practically speaking, most of the time you will be using list, but tuples are also useful if you want to create a list of items and make sure no where in our program you accidentally modified that list, then only it's better to use the tuples guys. Okay, I think you will getting my words, and I hope you people are enjoyed with this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Take care.